And the world of celebrity interviews, you learn to read between the lines. The best answers aren't always spoken, they're felt. They live in the pauses, in the stumbles, in the shifts in tone or in the tension in the body. I've learned to listen not just with my ears, but with my eyes. That's why I'll remember this moment with David Licauco. We were in the middle of our one-on-one for GMA Integrated News. David Saturday across from me the way you'd expect the pambansang ginoo. Tebe, collected, polite, poised. But when the conversation shifted to Bard's other half, Barbie Forteza, something in him changed. It was subtle at first. A pause before speaking, a slight tightening in his jaw. But then I noticed something more telling. He started tapping his foot. Not nervously like someone unsure of what to say, but tensely like someone trying to keep something grounded beneath the weight of emotion. I asked him about Barbie, about the real nature of their bond, on and off screen. David didn't flinch, but his foot kept tapping, even as he tried to speak with clarity and care. We have to think na, of course, Barbie just got off from a relationship and we should respect that, he said. Kailangan niyang maghil. And there it was, that quiet kind of caring. Not the grand, dramatic kind. The sort that gives space. The kind that knows timing is everything. He admits Barbie being single has lifted a layer of awkwardness that had always hovered between them. Nag-evolve na yung dynamics ninyo. I asked, sure, before, like, transparently, she was taken, di ba? So malaking factor yun. Hindi naman, I mean, Barbie has always been caring. But then, syempre, kapag naiilang ka before, oo, di ba? Parang caring. Kasi syempre, kapag may kawork ka, di ba? Like, kailangan naman talaga, especially sa love-themed context. You have to be caring and Barbie is someone I really care about. So, would you say, mas maluwag na ngayon yung pakikasama ninyo sa isa't isa? Now that single ka, single siya. Polly his naguhit.